some troubleshooting steps to help you fix the no reels issue on the Facebook app. Let's get started. First thing first, start by going to the App Store and search for Facebook and see if there are any pending updates. Update the app if necessary and relaunch it. If you are still not seeing reels after updating the app, try restarting the Facebook app, close the app completely, and then reopen it to see if the reels section appears. And if the reels are still not appearing, then simply go to the settings. After you click on settings, scroll down and click on general. In general, click on iPhone storage. In iPhone storage, click on Facebook. And in Facebook, you will see two options, offload app and delete app. Offload the app. It will clear the cache and data of the Facebook app and can help resolve various issues, including the no reels problem. Also, make sure that you have a very stable internet connection, as poor connectivity can affect the loading of reels and other content on Facebook. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can hopefully resolve the no reels issue on your Facebook app and enjoy accessing reels content as usual. We hope this guide was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.